Entonces, vamos a ver las cosas en la cocina dos. Stuff in the kitchen. Cosas en la cocina dos. So, saucepan. Saucepan. Oh, wow, okay, right. Saucepan. Saucepan. Cacerola. Cacerola. And frying pan, sartén. Let's try and get fry. Here we are, sartén. Very good. And wok. Más o menos mismo, wok. But there is no wok. Okay. And wok. Very good. And colander. So colador. Let's try and get a picture. Very good, okay. Blender. Blender. Okay, yeah, blender. So blender is liquidadora. And rolling pin, rodilla. Okay, let's have a look. Pin. No, not quite. Okay, yeah. So rodillo. Mortar. Well, we had one of these earlier. Mortar. Here we are. Yes. Mortar and pestle. Yes. Here we are. So here is the mortar. Here's the pestle. Yeah, mortar and pestle. So mortero and maja. And sieve, tamiz. So let's try and get a sieve. Wow, okay, so a sieve. To put things through, it filters through, a sieve, tamiz. Nice. So saucepan. Let's try and get a picture of saucepan. There must be a saucepan here. Maybe this, maybe. Saucepan. Frying pan. And wok, just a really big bowl. Yeah. Colander. Blender. Rolling pin. Mortar. Pestle. And sieve. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, puedes seguirme en YouTube, Facebook y Telegram. Y también puedes encontrarme en Udemy con más clases de inglés para ti. Entonces, vamos a continuar explorando.